Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got a video for you on some different tips or tricks that you can use to possibly find one of the hardest finding devices or other streaming devices from Walmart on brand. I've been looking for the new On 4K stick. I've been looking for the On 4K device. I've been looking for the On 4K Pro Gen 2. And in Metro Detroit, you just can't find it. But I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to something that you can use, and hopefully maybe you can use it to your advantage. All right, so you see me up here. If you look in the top left-hand corner, when you go to walmart.com and you type in on 4K, or you can just type in on streaming, right? Streaming devices. Okay, you can just type in on streaming devices. And right now I'm in Van Buren Township. That's not too far from me. And here, they'll give you the details on everything. Like I can go to Van Buren and get this bullcrap full HD device. But over here, you see that they're out of the original Gen 1 on 4K streaming device. But and then you see the other ones. So they're pretty much out of stock in my area. Another thing that I can do, since this is Van Buren, I can also try, let me hit this drop down right quick. And if you go up under here where it says Van Buren, yours may say something different, but if you just go up here to your store and you hit, this little button over here, this side loader, and I'm going to select, let me see, Canton. Or I'm going to go to Taylor. Let me try Taylor Supercenter. All right, I'm going to select that. And let me hit save. And let's see if they got anything. They only got the full HD, which I already knew. But if you don't feel like it's switched over, always refresh. Do a refresh. You can hit this button up here, or you can just come up here and highlight and just do it like that, and you will see that it will update. But it'll tell you which store you in. Again, it's Taylor Supercenter. And again, you can get the full HD, but everything else is out of stock. I'm going to try one more that's not too far from me. Let me try Woodhaven. All right, this is in Woodhaven, Michigan, another suburb of downriver suburb of Detroit. And I'm going to hit save. And you see that, you see how it updated. And again, you can get quite a bit of these. You can go to pretty much every Walmart in my area and get some full HDs. I just did a video on it, and it literally took, just to get to the operating system, 30 minutes. Literally took 30 minutes. I didn't even finish the review because I got tired. I was like, forget it. All right? So again, one of the things you can do, you can always think outside the box. So if you do the drop down, right? And just say if I wanted to go where it says enter zip code or city, if you was down in like New Orleans, right? Let's try New Orleans, Louisiana, right? We can try New Orleans, Louisiana, the boot. And again, we can try anything over here. I'm going to just try West Bank. This is in Gretna, Louisiana. So I'm going to select that one. You can select whatever one you want, and you can hit save. And it should update, but let's see what Louisiana has. It says they have 9 other streaming devices left. They say they're low on the full HD. Out of stock, out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. So everything else is pretty much out of stock. And they crazy for this one, $144, whoever this seller is. So at least you can get, you might not be able to get the stick in Gretna, but at least you can get the streaming device. Let's check another one. Okay. Let's go to, what's this? Lapalco Boulevard. This is in Marrero, Louisiana. So let's try this Supercenter and hit save. And you should see the web page update. And again, let's check it out. Again, they got the full HDs. They out of stock on everything else. Okay. And I'm going to try one more in Louisiana. Okay, let's do this. Gretna. I'm gonna try this one. Or let me see what. Let me try this one. All right. And let it update. It looked like, and you can see again, you can see where I'm at, and you can just scroll down here and things like that. So this is one of the things you can do. Again, hit this drop down. I'm gonna go to California. All right, I'm gonna go to California. Um, Let me see, let's go to San Francisco, California. Let's see what they have. Oops. Let's do this. San Francisco, California. And I'm going to do this one and hit save. And so, again, this is one of the easiest ways, just in case it's not in your area. Maybe you can drive 30 minutes or 40 minutes out. So you see there, they have the streaming device. They got the full HD one, but everything else is out of stock. Let's drop down again. And I knew it was, what is that? Let me see, and go to San Antonio. All right, I'm going to select that one. And again, you can go up here. They got the full HD, it look like. The streaming box, they only has one. That's pretty much it. And so in my area, I've been checking everywhere. Like Toledo is the next, Ohio is right next to me, like 40 minutes out. Again, I can try this one at Oregon. I can select that one. And again, this is just not to say you're going to be successful, but it's pretty accurate. I actually had one in my cart, and during this video, I was getting ready to do this video, and of course, I went back to it and it was gone. I think they had 3 left, so somebody ordered one. But as you can see, only the full HDs are left. You can hit this drop down. And if you have a zip code, you can do a zip code as well. I'm going to go all the way to Port Clinton, right? And let me save that one. Let's see what they have. And look, in Port Clinton, which is probably about a good almost an hour away from Toledo, going I think it's going east, maybe southeast if I'm not mistaken. I done been there. Port Clinton sits right off the lake. Nice ocean view. One of our clients is down there. We have to go down there. It's real nice in the summertime. It's real nice, but in the wintertime, man, you see nothing but ice on that lake. But as you can see, they got the 4K streaming device all the way down in Port Clinton. So one thing I'm going to do, 43452, you can look it up by zip code as well. And so I'm going to use this zip code and see if there's anything a little closer. All right, 452. And it's like, Dale, we already got it selected for you. All right, let me try Tiffin Super Center. Okay, and see what they got. And so they also have, they low stock, but they got the 4K streaming device for $25. They got the sticks, okay, but everything else is out. Everything else is out. But it looked like they're going to get ready to, which these right here have been popping in. All right, so it looked like they might try to, if they got some stock in these, they might try to sell them. These are still good devices, and I think at $38, this is pretty good. I would, as long as it's in the original box, I will get it. Pre-owned, it could have been something wrong with it, or maybe the customer didn't know how to use it and things like that. But this is how you do it, guys. Just go up here and you can put in zip code, everything. So if I can use a Detroit zip code like 48214, okay? And this is on the east side right here. I'm going to try this Warren one. in Warren, Michigan. And let's see if they got anything. They got the full HD, but they don't have anything else. Okay, that's pretty much how it is. But this is just one of the tips that you can use, because it really, if you're near the borderline of another state, you can go in there and actually, check another state that could be 5 minutes. We got people that stay in Monroe County, which is the closest thing to Toledo, Ohio, and people can just go on over there and they can drive to Port Clinton. It might take them an hour, but they can go and clean up. Really, if they got a bunch of devices and things like that, they got many in stock, and you can order it online. So you can sit back and place your order online, and then go ahead and go and pick it up. So, if there is another way that let me know in the comment area. Hopefully, this helps you out for people who are still looking for these streaming devices from Walmart. Again, nothing in Michigan. So people in Michigan, either we got to find somebody down south or out west to ship it to us. That's pretty much the only way we can get it, because right now they're not showing up in none of our stores. At least around here, I ain't going way up north. 2 hours just to get no device. But you know what? Let me see. I bet you, no, they don't have it. I know they don't have it. So I'm not going to even test it out. I was going to test out Saginaw, but I'm not going to do it. It is what it is. Let me know your way. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Share this video. This can help a lot of people. Also, thumbs up the video. And again, click that icon, that bell icon, and select all. Whenever I drop anything on YouTube, you will get the notification. And if you are subscribed and you're not receiving the notification, go into that bell icon, turn it off, and turn it back on, and it will restore. Okay? All right. I will talk to you guys later. Be safe out there. Peace.